How to disable iPhone video looping in Photos app running iOS 18. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on Apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Photos. So tap on Photos, and then we scroll down and tap on Video Loops. Make sure the toggle button is switched off. Once it is switched off, we have now disabled video looping on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Now you can play video without it being looping. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.